Hey there, Binance users! Ready to link your bank account to Binance in just 2 minutes? Let's get started. First, if you're using the Binance mobile app, go ahead and open it up. Once you're on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Next, select Add Payment Method. Easy, right? Now, if you're on the web, hover over your email in the top right corner to view the drop-down menu. Click on Account and Settings. From there, click Manage next to Payment Management. Then, click Add a New Account. All right, now that you've got the right page, it's time to add your bank account. Enter your bank details, including the account number and routing number. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct. Next, Binance will need to verify your bank account. This usually involves a small deposit and withdrawal to confirm your details. Keep an eye on your bank transactions for these amounts. Once you've verified the amounts, head back to Binance. Enter the deposit and withdrawal amounts to complete the verification process. And that's it. Your bank account is now linked to Binance, ready for deposits and withdrawals. Remember, linking your bank account makes it super easy to transfer funds in and out of your Binance account. No more jumping through hoops. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Binance tips and tricks. See you next time.